Calculus class, the topic for today is find the limit. We are going to find the limit at a vertical asymptote of a rational function. This problem here, we have two problems here, but one is right. One of these is not okay. So we need to know which one is the right one. Before I will show you some main ideas before to understand our class. That concept where we must to know before or when you are working in this kind of problems. Okay, first thing is a table. I want to show you this important table. Okay, this table with very important concept. So this is a right hand limit. When you have this table, when you have or when we have n is when n is odd, then the limit of 1 divided by x plus a to the n power when x approach to 8 to left hand, this is equals a negative infinity. And the other side here we have when limit of 1 divided by x plus a to the n power when x approach to 8 to right hand. So the answer is positive infinity. All right. So the second main idea, when n is even, we will have limit of 1 divided by x plus a to the n power when x approach to negative 8 here. Yeah, this is the answer here is positive. So here limit of 1 divided by x plus a when to the n power when x approach to positive a, we will have positive infinity. All right, this is very important. Keeping in mind this concept when you see problems like this, right? I will erase our table. So now next main point, so the multiplication law. So that's very important. Laws of for infinity limits. All right, which one are? For instance, if limit of f of x when x approach to 8 is non-zero, is non-zero number and limit of gx when x approach to 8 is equals positive infinity or negative infinity. Then we will have two main things here. One is limit f of x, g of x here equals positive infinity when x approach to 8 when limit f of x approach to 8 and also here limit, we will have limit. Let's use the black color. Limit here gx when x approach to 8 have the same sign. So we have another important idea here. This let me see the space right here. Limit f of x, i.e. again gx, here is here equals negative, infinite. Here is positive, now it's negative when limit of f of x when h approaches to 8 and the last thing, limit of gx when x approaches to 8 have positive signs. So this is another main concept, very important ideas, but you must remember before when you work in limits of the vertical asymptote of a rational function, okay? Eraser this, and then let's go next step. Next step is try to find the answer. So now here solve our problem. First, here that we see here in our problem, the vertical function negative 9 divided by x plus 1 to the second power has a vertical asymptote. All right. At what point? At x equals -1. Very important clue. Okay, see this information. Now, why? Or because x plus 1, so this is because to the second power makes the denominator here, this makes the denominator 0, okay? And the denominator numerator is not 0. It is not 0. See? This is another thing. So here, limit a -9 when divided by x plus 1 to the second power when x approach here to -1 to the left hand is either negative infinity or positive infinity. All right, so this is another main points that take a look, keep in your mind. I will continue looking for check which one is fine. So start by rewriting the function here. By rewriting the function by product of two factors. One whose denominator is not 0 at x equals -1, and one whose denominator is 0 at x equals 1, 2, all right? So since here, let me write, since x plus 1 to the second power makes the denominator here what? 0 is 0 at x equals -1. -1. Okay. Check the data, all right? Separate here, we have to separate here one, let's write 1 divided by x plus 1 to the second power here from the rest of the function. From the rest of the function. All right. So we will have this data here. Negative 9 divided by x plus 1 to the second power. Look at this, equals negative 9 times 1 divided by x plus 1 to the second power. Here, see? With this now started here to find the limit here. So now find the limit. Find the limit. So find the limit of what? Of this little problem here, right? Of 1 divided by x plus 1 to the second power. All right? At x equals negative 1. All right? Then the function here, I will erase it here. All this now. I will keep it the last this formula. So look at this, negative 1. This function has the function has a vertical asymptote. The function has a vertical asymptote at right again the point at x equals negative 1. All right, this is very important. So then I will erase this now, okay? So now from here, so limit of 1 divided by x plus 1 to the second power when when x approach to negative 1 to left hands is either negative infinity or positive infinity. All right, so look at this. Since the I write this is on even power. That's a very important clue of x plus 1, right? The left hand, I am writing everything because sometimes it's confused. Left hand limit at x equals negative 1, in this case, is positive. All right, it's positive. So now, since here we have since negative 9 and what is the other? And positive infinity have a positive sign. Positive sign. We have here limit of 1 divided by x plus 1 to the second power when x here approach to negative 1 to left hands. This is equals positive infinity positive. So our conclusion here, since that's very important, this in this case this is the answer here. So our conclusion, limit, we will have here limit of negative, we are looking negative 9 divided by x plus 1 to the second power when x approach to negative 1 to left hand. This is equals a limit x when negative 1 to left hand. In this case is we have equals 9 times I started before 1 divided by x plus 1 to the second power. This is equals, so our answer, this is going to be equals negative infinity. Negative infinity. This is our right answer, guys. Okay, my friends, that was our conclusion. So this means that the right answer is this one. This is fine, the first one. Alright, I have our answer here. So after all this information, so it's a long process, but we have to write the process. I like to write the step by step. Sometimes when get the answer, oh, why you get that answer? Okay, I did step by step, since explaining the main concept that you need to know when you work in this kind of problem. Okay, you discover the power of the mathematics and list your infinity potential. See you next class.